Hello and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to fix your Snapchat support code SS06. So when you try to open Snapchat on your mobile, you get the SS06 support code notice. So what it means is that your account has been temporarily disabled due to repeated login attempts or suspicious activity. This can happen in various cases. Maybe you entered your password incorrectly multiple times, or you're trying to log in from a new device or location, you're using a third-party app to log into Snapchat, etc. So the first thing that will help you fix this problem is the obvious one, which is to wait it out. After you've waited out at least 10 to 15 minutes, you can go ahead and try logging in again, which may solve your issue. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi or a network that your device is familiar with and that you've logged into Snapchat while being under this network. This will also help fixing your Snapchat support code issue. The next thing you're going to make sure is to disable any third-party apps that you are using to log into Snapchat. If you're using any third-party apps, then it might be the reason why this issue is popping up. The next thing to do is to go ahead, long press on Snapchat, then you can see the app info section, tap on it, which will redirect you to this page. Go ahead and tap on the clear data that appears on the bottom of your screen. If the clear data option doesn't appear, then simply tap on storage. Over here, the clear data option will appear. Tap on it and then tap on clear cache. Confirm that you want to clear cache and try again. If it still doesn't work, then you might want to clear your Snapchat data. For that, you simply tap on clear data again. You'll have the option either to clear all data or to manage space. If you tap on it, then you'll be given this pop-up. However, this will delete all your app's data, so if you do not want that to happen, then you can simply long press on Snapchat, tap on the uninstall button, and then go ahead, visit the Play Store and reinstall it by simply going to the search box, typing Snapchat and hitting the install button that appears beside the Snapchat logo. And then your issue of the Snapchat support code SS06 will be resolved. You'll be given access to your Snapchat account again. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.